Guys, no hunting footage, but I was able to grab some things today that are pretty cool and I want to go over. My daughter, I got to go watch her play some college soccer today. She won, scored 2 goals. You know, daddy's very proud. But after the game, I stopped off at a Walmart that was close to the field that I never go to. It's just, you know, say, hey, there's a Walmart next to the soccer field, let's go in there. So I went in there and I was able to pick up some things that cars I hadn't seen before, and then also some cars that I've been looking for, and they were there. So first, let's go for these cars I was looking for, because, you know, I've been looking for these factory 500s. Now, I've already talked about the Viper, I've already talked about the Camaro, the McLaren, and the Corvette. These are the 4 that I found at my Walmart, and I already talked about in a previous video, and I talked about how I don't believe that these are going to be very hard to find. Well, it turns out they're kind of hard to find. But so I did find all of them. In fact, I found all but one. You'll never guess which one I didn't find too. So now I have the entire set except for one car. Again, you won't be shocked at the one that I don't have. But I was able to get the Lamborghini, and that looks really cool. I like this black with that gold, with the gold accents, the gold striping on it. So I got the Lamborghini out of the factory 500 set. So I got the Lamborghini I can add to the set. I got the, what is this? This is the Bentley. So I grabbed the Bentley. I think it looks good. I like that it's got the front and the rear tampos on this Bentley, and that they detailed out the grille. Yeah, this looks good. I like this. This looks really good. This is gonna have to come out of this blister because, man, that looks really good. I like that. So I got the Bentley, the Cadillac. What is it? The SVT? Yeah, or the CTS. The CTSV Cadillac. Again, has the front detailing, the rear detailing. And you can see there, it's got even the little Cadillac sign. Yeah, that looks good. I like that. I have the Cadillac now. Then here is the 2010 Shelby GT500. And this red is clean. The other versions of this car that I have are it's in the race team colors. I think that might be the only one I have, is the one that's in the race team colors. It's the same casting, but I like this red so much better. Let me see. So they did the race team. They did this same car in the race team. They did it in the black, which this does look really good, actually. This looks really good. And they also did it in blue. So they did the black one, which, sorry, bear with me here. They did the same Mustang in blue. And this blue looks really good. It's kind of funny when you pull it down, you take a second look at it and you realize, man, that looks good. And now we have it in this factory 500 set in red. They still didn't do the front tampos or the rear tampos, and I have no idea why they're doing that, because they're allowing Matchbox to kick their butt when it comes to these Mustangs and detailing them out. You do have the emblem there on the side. I like that. That's cool. So there's that Mustang, and then I have the Shelby GT350R. That orange is sick. Again, no front headlights or rear headlights or taillights. Headlights. Rear taillights. Liking that stripe. I love this orange with that pearl that's in it. and those black wheels, this color on this car looks really good. Yeah, I like that a lot. So that's every car in the Factory 500 set except for the Porsche. And that's going to be the hardest one to find. Everybody wants the Porsche. So hopefully I find it. Hopefully I come across it and I'm able to get the Porsche so that I can complete my set for the Factory 500. Also, in the line of Hot Wheels, I found this color shifter, which I just thought looked gangster. So I grabbed it. Tail dragger, look at that. All the detailing in the back. It's just a cool car. Looking at the color shifting, it looks like it goes from purple to blue. Which, you know, it's called Purple Passion, but if you get it wet, it turns blue. I'm not sure why they would call it Purple Passion. If, you know, when it gets excited, it turns blue. So I was able to grab some Matchbox, and I'll tell you what I'm talking about when I say that Matchbox is kicking butt when it comes to the Mustangs. Because I was able to grab this convertible Mustang. That black with those gold wheels looks really good. But look, front headlights are done. Front headlights are done. Tail lights, done. They even have the running horse and the GT on the back. I mean, and that just looks so cool. That is a very good looking cast. I like that all the detailing is done in it. I like that black with the gold wheels. That looks really good. I like this a lot. Matchbox, kicking Hot Wheels butt when it comes to the Mustang, to the Ford Mustang. So I also found this Aston Martin, which I think looks really cool. Got little tail lights right there. White headlights, red interior. Yeah, this looks really good. Picked up this Bentley again. That front grille, the headlights are done. That's a really nice looking blue. Tail lights, the back detailing. Like, they just do a good job. So I grabbed this Bentley in the Matchbox. This is an Audi TT coupe. Picked up again. The tail lights are done. The headlights are done. That grille is done. I mean, Matchbox, they're doing this right. That looks really good. And then last but not least for the Matchbox is I was able to pick up this is 1935 Ford pickup. And it is custom. I mean, this is routed out. This looks so cool. I like this. This is probably gonna come out of the blister. It has to. I mean, look at that. Look at how good that looks. It has to come out of the blisters. So I've cut the shelves out. They're cut out. I just haven't put them together yet. So I'm gonna glue them and put them all together so that I can hang them up, so that I can start breaking these things out and having more space to put cars. Now, I stayed up late last night. Guess what I was watching? I was watching the Mustang Hunters video on wheel swaps. And, you know, that dropped at midnight. And I was up, I watched it, and I'm like, I'm gonna do it. I have to do it. The way he laid it out there, it looks so easy to do. So, you know the car that I needed to get done. It's the Volkswagen Beetle, because the wheels on that thing were hideous. Well, I did it. I swapped it out with the wheels off of the Camaro. And look at how good that looks. I should have taken a video of me doing it, because it was a lot easier than I thought. Like the Mustang Hunter, his video on how to do this, I was like, wow, it's too easy. I have to actually give it a try. And you know what? It is. It was pretty simple to swap these wheels, and it just looks so much better. So, because this is my first wheel swap, and there's going to be many more, but because this is the first, this is going to be the photo montage. So let's get to it.